how to create your nested for in Java programming. So for example, we have here a simple program which is a for within a for, meaning we have here another for, then inside the for we have again another for loop. Okay, so to simulate this program, so we have here simulation, then we have here output. Okay, so first is to execute your outer for, which is I or int I is equal now to 0. So I is equal to 0. Then next, you have to check your condition I, which is 0 less than 5. So take note that I is less than 0, so the result is true. Okay, so if your condition is true, so you have to execute your body of loop. So your body of loop starts here up to this one. Then the inner loop, we have the body starts here up to the close curly bracket here. Okay, so let's go back. So I 0 less than 5 is true, so you have to execute your body of loop. So we have here for int j is equal to 0. Then next, j is less than equal to I. Less than equal to I. So take note that 0 is less than equal to I. So true. So you have now you have to execute the body of the loop, which is the inner loop. So system.out.print. So we have here asterisk. Okay. Then end of loop. Go back to your updation. So we have here j++. J now will increment to 1. So j now is equal to 1. Then check again your condition here. J is 1. Is it less than equal to 0? So take note that 1 is greater than a 0. So the condition is false. So you have to jump after the close curly bracket of the for loop or the inner for loop. So next statement is the system.out.print line. So take note that our cursor is here. So you have to print line. Okay, so the cursor now will be at the or below of the asterisk or next line. Okay, the next statement, then again close curly bracket. So go back to your outer loop, which is the I++. I++ now is equal to 1. So increment to 1. Then check your condition. So I 1 less than 5. Is it true or false? So I less than 5, 1 less than 5 is true. So you have again to execute the body of loop. Okay, so for the body of loop, you have again the inner loop 4. So you have again to start int j is equal to 0. Then j0 less than equal to I is 1. So 0 less than equal to 1 is true. So you have to execute the body of the loop. So system.out.print asterisk. Next, go back to your inner for loop. So j++, so increment by 1. So j now is equal to 1. check again your condition 1 less than equal to 1. So j less than equal to I. So the value of j is 1. Less than equal to I is 1. So 1 less than equal to 1 is true. So you have to print again asterisk. So beside the first one because it is print only. Okay. Then next, update again your j increment. So it will become 2. Then check your condition here. So j 2 less than equal to I. So 2 less than equal to 1 is false. So you have to jump. Okay. The next statement is system.out.print line. So your cursor will be at the bottom of the asterisk or the next line. Okay. So check again your increment statement. So go back to your I or inner, or I mean to say outer loop. So I plus plus I is equal now to 2. 2 less than 5. Okay, so 2 less than 5. So we have here I is 2 less than 5 is true. So again, you have to execute your inner loop. Okay, so for int j again is equal to 0. Okay, j 0 less than equal to I. Okay, so j0 less than equal to I, which is 2. So 0 less than equal to 2 is true. So print asterisk. Okay, then next go back to your j++. So it will become 1. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Then check again your condition. 1 less than equal to I, which is 2. So 1 less than equal to 2 is true. So print again your asterisk. Okay, next, end of loop again, j++, back to your for loop. So j++, so increment 1 to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal now to 2. Then next, check your condition. J equal to 2 less than equal to I, which is 2. 2 less than equal to 2 is true. So you have to print again your asterisk. Okay, next, j++, j now will become 3. Okay, so j 3 less than equal to I, which is 2. Okay, so 3 less than equal to 2 is false. So jump here. Next statement below your end of loop. Okay, system.out.print line. So next line. Then next, end of loop for the outer one. Then next, I++. So 2 plus 1 is equal now to 3. Then check your condition here. 3 less than 5. 3 less than 5 is true. So you have again to execute the loop of the outer 4. Okay, then inside that one we have again the for loop. Okay, or the inner for loop. Again, int j is equal to 0. So 0 less than equal to, so we have here 0 less than equal to I, which is 3. So meaning your condition is true. So you have to print asterisk. Okay, then update your j++ or your j. So increment to 1. So next, check your condition, j1 less than equal to I, which is 3. 1 less than equal to 3 is true, so you have to print your asterisk. Then next, j++ will become 2. Then 2 less than or equal to 3. Okay, so true. Print your asterisk again. Then increment again your j. So j now will become 3. So check again the condition. 3 less than equal to 3. So true. So you have to print again the asterisk. Okay. Then next, end of loop. So we have here again, update your increment. Okay, j++ will become 4. Okay, 4, is it 4 less than equal to 3? J less than equal to I. Okay, 4 less than equal to 3 is false. So jump again to the next statement, which is system.out.println. So next line. Then next, go back to your I. Okay, so update the I++, the I or the I++. So I now will become 4. Okay, 4 less than 5. So check your condition. 4 less than 5 is true. So again, you have to execute again the body of the outer loop. So again, the inner loop 4. So j now is equal to 0. Take note that the next statement after initialization, you have to check your condition. 0 less than equal to I, which is 4. 0 less than equal to 4 is true. You have to print asterisk. Okay. Then next, increment your j will become 1. So check again the condition, j1 less than equal to 4. Okay, so true, print again another asterisk. Then next, j++ 2. So the value of j is 2 less than equal to I, which is 4. 2 less than equal to 4 is true. So print your asterisk. Then go back. So j++. J now is equal to 3. So check your condition. J less than equal to I. 3 less than equal to 4 is true. So print again your asterisk. Then j++. Again, your j will become 4. Then check the condition, j 4 less than equal to I, which is 4. So it's true. So print again your asterisk. Then next, okay, go back to your j. So increment to 1. So j now will become 5. Then check your condition, j5 less than equal to I, which is 4. So the answer is false. So next statement is print line. So next line. Then next, go back to your outer loop. So I++, I now will become 5. So check again your condition, I5. I is equal to 5 less than 5. Is it true or false? So meaning it is false. So meaning end of the program. So let's try your program. So copy, then paste. Okay, paste it to your BlueJ. Compile. then run your program. So that's it. So it is a triangle, so asterisk triangle, so take note. So increment asterisk 1 2 3 4 and 5. So for your exercise, okay, so maybe you have to create a program that will display the reverse. So for example, we have here 5 asterisk, then 4 3 2 1. Okay, so this will be your basis for your program. So just change some of the statements. Okay,